lang si Liz. Oh, look. Damn. Nakakatuwa yung mga fans ko. Hi, Dion. Bye sa Blackpink. This gorgeous woman. Rosé. My dad's American, yung kausap ko. Yeah, she's not in the Seraphim anymore. I love you guys too. Wait. Wala, yun. Yes, Ate Ian's here. Thank you. Did you? Nandun po ba kayo? Ano po? With Carlo. I didn't see you all. I'm sorry. I didn't. Sa mga pumunta, I didn't see you. I'm sorry. Hello, Jam. Wait, sorry. Jam. Hello. Oh my gosh. Mahilig ako mamansin ng mga tao. Paano niyo ba? Guys, hindi ko din alam kung paano. It's so hard to balance school and to balance like being an artista. Sometimes I forget na nalilimutan ko na artista ako. Honestly. Yeah, Kuya Carlos was also there. Tama ba? Yeah, Kuya Carlos was there kanina. Thank you so much. Wow! Yay! Nagkulat ako. Oh! How come kasi I cannot notice you all. Like, my eyes are like wandering everywhere. Wait, let me just finish stream. Wait lang, guys. 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Thank you. Hi, Dan. Hi, guys. Am I gonna go live tomorrow? Should I go live tomorrow? Should not. Yes, guys. Mahilig ako mag-fan service. Isa yan sa favorites ko sa pagiging artista. And, din kasi na-inspire din ako sa SB19 because every time na nagko-concert sila, uy! Pasok! Guys, may special guest. Alam ba ko di na pumasok sa Aidan? Uy! Ayun!
Hello guys, what's up? Sino kasama mo?
Hi!
Sino kasama mo?
Wala akong... Ito kasama ko.
Parents mo?
What? Ito kasama ko.
Ako kasama mo.
Ay, saan kayo?
Kamusta ka dyan, Sabina?
Ha?
Kamusta ka dyan?
Okay lang. Okay lang, nabubuhay.
Sarap ng kain namin. Bakit ako?
Thank you guys. Ito na siya. Ay! Kain ko.
Stacy, hello. Hi. Hello.
Ayun. Sa kayo? Okay.
May box ko. Bye guys. Oy, Ashi!
Bye.
Saan ka, Ash? Saan kayo?
Pasok ka na.
Paano naman ako? Hello, Hayes. Hi ka. Paano naman ako? Stalik ka saglit. Ay, ito. Gusto nga ito si Lina. Meron na sa loob. Yeah. Kain muna kami. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Bye guys.
Ay, guys, hindi ako naiingit. Hindi ako naiingit. Guys, let's not be jealous. Nasa car daw si si Ash. Pero, okay lang. Thank you. Hello everybody. And, hindi. Dahil sa inyo. guys. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Kaso kailangan na din kasi namin umuwi. Mahal ko pa rin kayong lahat, okay? Nasa car daw po siya eh. Guys, pasensya na. At kailangan na po kasi namin mag-end ng live. Pero before we end, detail din sa inyo, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all your wonderful mothers and your grandmothers. Please don't forget to greet them. Happy Mother's Day, okay? Thank you. I love you all so much, okay? And I hope that I get to see all of you very soon, and I hope na yung mga susunod naming fan meets or mall shows is you guys. Yes, miss ko na din siya. Miss ko na din siya, guys. And just know that I love you guys. And you guys are all amazing in your own very special way, okay? Thank you! Guys, share ko lang. Ako lang nag-makeup sa sarili ko. I love you guys too! Yun, uy, ang ganda ko sa iyo. Joke lang. Pero, anyways, thank you guys. And I hope that you all could keep supporting Sparkle Teens. And I wish you all the very, very best. I'm looking at that. OMG. Rar. Ay, mali. Sabi ko, rar. Pero pusa daw. Sorry. Guys, may sarili ako nangyayari. Hello to Jenny. Thank you. Palagi kayong mag-ingat, okay? Stay safe, drink lots of water, eat or drink your vitamins, okay? Thank you. Cute. Yes. Wala po kayong nakita. What was that? Charan. Joke lang. Thank you, everybody. I love you all so much. And thank you sa crowd. Grabe. I love you all so much. And I'll see you guys maybe after my exams na lang kasi I think yata sa Friday meron kaming I can say sa time zone sa Alabang, sa festival. Meron kaming parang we'll be there for the grand opening. So, sa festival, Alabang yun. So, if you guys want to watch or if you guys are near the area, you guys can go to Festival Ball. Ayun. So, we'll be there. And I love you guys so much. Stay safe and good night and eat well. Mwah. Bye! Thank you so much.